Has your bedroom turned into a huge issue because of snoring? I ended up on the couch more nights than I can count. Our mornings were filled with grumpy faces and silent breakfasts, so we definitely knew we had to find a solution. That's when we discovered ZQuiet and decided to give it a shot. It has so many positive reviews, so we thought there has to be something to it. You can choose from 2 different sizes to find the right fit, and there's also a storage case to keep it in when you're not using it. From the first night, no more having to get up and go on the couch. We both slept so peacefully. ZQuiet turned our bedroom into a snore-free zone. Now our mornings are so much lighter and brighter, and our relationship is stronger. Go ahead and try it now risk-free with a 60-day money-back guarantee.